Hey guys, just want to take a quick second to review the Albatross 6-in-1 Survival Tactical Knife. It's a knife that it's going to be a little bit more bulky than normal knives because, like I said, it has all those functions. You have your initial blade that's serrated, so you have your, if you look here, it's serrated there, and then it has a normal blade there. It has a mini LED flashlight here. That comes out. In order to initially use it, you have to unscrew it, and then you kind of have to pop out a little piece of black plastic. Ooh, do I have it here? Right here. And basically what you do is you just kind of undo it here, and then you tap it out. Now the battery will come out too, and then once you, and that plastic thing is right here, and it falls out. And then you put the battery back in, and then you screw it back on, like I'm trying to do here. And then when you screw it back on to the tightest, when you want the light to come on, you just do it like that. Now here you'll see that my light didn't turn on. That's because I waited a little while before doing this review, as I wanted to get some experience using it and see what kind of wear and tear it had or it went through. And so initially it turned on, but after some time I'm guessing that battery died, and even though I didn't use it. So just be wary of that. I'm sure you can buy replacement batteries. But just, as far as the shelf life of the flashlight, it's not very long. So here's going to be your glass breaker when you're ready to boom, boom. If you're locked out of your car or something, you want to break your window, which you hire a locksmith, but whatever. Your magnesium fire starters back here. It's on the opposite side. So if your flashlight's here, the fire starter's on the back end. It takes a little oomph to get it out, and then I've never started a fire, but I'm sure you guys more survival than I am, and you can do that. Here you're going to find your rope cutter. If you can see that little metal blade, and so if you need to cut rope for some reason, and you can just pull it through that and cut your rope. And so anyways, all in all, it's I would say it's a 3, maybe 4-star knife, just because the blade isn't that impressive. However, the flashlight, when it works, or needing to cut rope or break glass, are things that do work. Just because the shelf life of those is as long as the knife itself. And as far as but it's also something kind of bulky. So when you want a pocket knife, you don't want it to be this bulky, of course, because, it's...
will open the knife up and extends it, and the knife is very, very sharp. So to close it, you have to literally pull this to the side a bit, and then you can push the knife back down. So a lot of times when we look at the pocket knives, it's not intuitive for women, especially myself, because I had to watch a video to figure this out to see how to close this knife back. So once again, to open it, this little lever here pushes it up, knife pops up. To close it, see this little prong here, push it over to the side, push the knife back down.
This is the flashlight from the knife. That's it pressed against the wall. That's it 1 foot away. Okay, this is the flashlight from a very cheap mobile phone. Hold on. Right? $100 phone. The flashlight is so dim for this knife, it actually doesn't appear on camera more than 2 feet away.